Hi, and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today I don't even remember my opening line. It's been so long since I filmed, I can't remember. Anyway, welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo. Today, this look is inspired by Loona from Helluva, and it's part of the anime makeup series. I am a huge fan of Vizzy Pop and the whole team for Spindle Horse, where they're doing what has been, and Helluva Boss. I really enjoy what they're doing. I love the characters, and I'm planning on doing a series that's fully like Viv by her series. I cannot speak today.
I'm sorry, I can't.
I said series, not Siri. Okay. But I love what she does with characters. I love the musical numbers. I love the creative process that she has, and I like that she's able to push the bar a little bit for adult animation without having to sacrifice stuff because it's on her own channel, it's on her own platform, and it was really inspiring. Again, this is inspired by Loona. She is the adopted hellhound from Helluva Boss, and she's the adopted daughter of Blitz. And like I said, I'm going to be doing more characters from the series. But when I think Loona, I think the cooler grays, the blacks, and she always has she has red eyes, so I had to include Papa Red. Plus, it's the same day at work, and it's supposed to be Red Sunday. And I'm like, red. I'm gonna have a red blazer, and then I'm gonna have black pants, shoes, and then I'm gonna most likely wear a black hat. So it's gonna be like a fun balancing act of red and black. And it's also Valentine's Day. I'm alone, so let's go with anti-Valentine's Day. I'm ready. Anyway, welcome back. I'm glad to be back. And let's get into this video because I don't want to start getting emotional and crying. So yeah, if you want to learn how to create this look, let's continue. Okay, so let's get started. I already did prime and set the primer. Prime my eyes and set it using the NYX HD eyeshadow base and set it by using Cascade Ray from a cremated palette, and we're using this today. Because honestly, this is the most Loona palette I have. Like, I look at this and I'm just like, this would be a Loona palette. Anyway, let's get started. I'm so used to having my brushes over here, but now I have them over here, so I'm like twisted. Oh, what am I going to start off with? I think I'm actually going to start off by going into Last Respects, a little bit of Obituary, putting that high into the crease. I'm just going to take a slightly fluffier brush, and I'm going to dip into... So I have a feeling we're going to go more with like the Wednesday, Solemnly Swear, Gravedigger, and then Hearse and Angel of Death. Or even Mortuary Beautician, just because Loona has more of the cooler grays, or more of like the blue grays. And if I remember correctly, that's going to be these. I'm trying to look again. Yes. Most likely yes. No. Most likely. Most likely. Oh wait. We're going to bounce around. But first one I'm going to dip into is Wednesday. I'll be honest, I have not done my eyeshadows since, like, fully, and since, I'm just using a little bit more of Solemnly Swear to just blend that out on the edges. Sorry, Last Respect. Last time I did my, like, full makeup? Oh no, I did it in I forgot, it was December. I did a fully bigger blending brush, and we're just gonna add some of... I think we're gonna go into Solemnly Swear. Yeah. That's what my gut's telling me. Oop, this one needs to be... See, the brush cleaner I use makes them very stiff. There we go. But I hadn't done my makeup in forever, mainly just because I've been busy. I ain't got time. But I'm gonna do a whole video otherwise, so yeah, just let's speed through this. Real quickly, I'm going to take my Sephora Collection number 10 brush. This is really old and discontinued, but it's the best blending brush, and just blend between every layer. I'm going to take a slightly smaller blending brush and dip into... I feel like this is too neutral, so we're going to dip into hers to start building up black. Actually, no, let me get a smaller brush. Yes, okay. I'm going to use a very, very tiny brush to start building up the black, because I want to focus it slightly on the outer third and then slightly into the crease, so then I can put on the shimmer but still have that black there as a base. What, baby? Wait, you guys haven't seen Lola. Okay. Lola's camera shy. She is getting so big. Okay, now with a smaller blending brush, I'm going to blend out hers. Just a little bit more of rip and solemnly swear. Okay, that's looking really nice. Ooh. My camera is saying the battery's about to die, even though it's been charging. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just, like, do a slight cut crease. Not really. Just gonna moisten this area so I can apply the Angel of Death. Or do I want Mortuary Beautician? And go Angel of Death. I'm gonna apply that to the lid so it's like a really dark, smoky. And hold on, let me turn this off so I can just like cut the crease and everything. Okay, so I did take care of this eye. Hold on, I did finish up this eye. I did use Angel of Death, so now I'm just gonna cut the crease with my Wet n Wild Look Catsuit and Camelback. This is literally the best cut crease thing I use. It's a liquid eyeshadow, it's so good. I'm doing a rougher general shape just because I'm not going like all out with it. I don't want it to be like, I don't know. I don't want to say like I'm doing too much shape to it. I just want it to basically stay on the lid. Also, I know it normally does, like because of my hooded eyes, it normally just transfer up a little bit. So I pre-plan by going just a little bit above. I'm taking a Sephora Beauty. This is one of their glitter paddles. Because this is almost like a pressed glitter, because like the shine is crazy. Okay, I'm gonna pop just a little bit more of hers on the outer corner. I already did on this eye, just so we can even out with the darker tones of Angel of Death. Then I'm going to take care of the rest of my face, and I'll be right back. Okay, face is on, lashes are on, and they big. I got the new Blush Couture by Kiss, the matte black in matte velvet. Like, I'm loving it. They're so huge, they're so fluffy. Yes! Oh, hold on, this is okay. I'm off, I don't know. By the way, so now we're gonna finish up the eyes. We're gonna, yeah, let's get into it. I forgot everything I had on. Oh, and then mascara, I'm actually using this. I haven't mentioned it because I haven't been on YouTube in a while. But I've been using the L'Oreal Air Volume. It's really nice. Oh, Air Volume Mega Mascara. It's really nice. I even use it on my lower lashes. I don't use lower lash mascara that often. But we're just going to take the same colors that we used up top, down below. Okay. Actually, hold on. Take just a little bit. With your brush. Casket ready. So it blends in with the rest of my skin. Now for the inner corner highlight, I've been thinking of a few different options. Hold on. Take waterline, take the best case liner. I'm thinking because it is Valentine's Day, I might do like a little heart right here. Maybe. No, you know what? I'm gonna put on spot red. Yeah, I'll use this one. This is a ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in the shade Sisters! Just gonna put that right here. Love that. Okay. That's fun. Now for the inner corner, I was thinking for the longest time I might use a really old eyeshadow I have. This is on the KVD Vegan Beauty Middle Crush eyeshadows in Raw Power, which I'm still thinking about. I know I also had this duo from ColourPop. I want to see. These are Sommelier set, and those are, no. Those are Muse and Wine Down. So, let's see. This is Raw Power. Ooh, I really think I might use this one. Muse to Pink. And Down. I think this is a little too berry. Which means we're going to use Raw Power. So I'm going to use Raw Power on the inner corner. Okay, loving the eyes. Really spooky, which is like perfect for me on Valentine's Day. I wish this was just like a little bit more metallic. Unfortunately, I don't have any metallic red, like super shimmery reds like that. So this is what we're going with. So this is not what I'm going to wear out for the day, but I want to do it for this look. Oh. Honestly, I think I'm just going to go with a nude lip. Originally, I was going to do like a black to nude ombre. But just gonna go with a nude lip. This is Posh Spice by Jeffree Star. Okay, I'm going to set my face, let down my hair. Well, the part that's not already down because it's just rude. And we'll be right back. Okay, so here we are with the final look. I really do like how this is looking. I will say, I did go out in more natural lighting and this looks severe. But I think because of the darker eye, plus I'm gonna have a mask on, it's gonna be okay. I'm loving how this turned out. I really do. I'm gonna show pictures of what the ombre I was thinking would look like, so you can see. And if you want to do it, you can do it for yourself. Because I was also gonna use like glossing. I was gonna use gloss. I was gonna use like the best black lip liner. I was gonna go like full everything, but I feel like this just tones it down to where it's not like dramatic. It looks even. So I really do like this. I am loving Angel of Death on the eyes. Loving Raw Power. I'm just loving everything. So yeah, it feels so weird to be filming again. There is going to be a review on this foundation. I'm going to be doing the wear test today, but because the camera was dying, I'm going to have to actually do like application and everything else another day, just so we have that standard set. I'm also trying a new concealer. I don't know if I'm going to review it fully. But yeah, I am loving how everything turned out. I'm just so happy. Okay. I was like, wait, hold on, do I have any like extra pigment? Yeah, I'm excited to be back. This wasn't the original video I wanted to do as like the first or second, but hey, you know what? I'm rolling with things. It's a theme day at work. I can go crazy. I'm gonna do it. So anyway, if you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like this video and you want to see more, please subscribe and click that little bell button because every time we release a new video, you'll get a notification. Aside from that, I hope you have a good rest of your day or night, wherever you are, and I will see you next time. Bye!